Good afternoon, everyone, and happy. So I hope everybody is doing well today. But we do have another severe weather risk to go over today. This is really for this afternoon. It goes until 8 p.m. this evening. I just wanted to log on, give everybody a quick overview of what's going on and some weather we can see down the road, as well as a quick radar update. If you have any questions throughout this, pop your questions in the chat and I'll get to them. But the Storm Prediction Center, in conjunction with the weather forecast offices in the state, have issued a severe thunderstorm watch for much of southeastern Oklahoma today. Really, the main threats we're looking at this is large hail up to baseballs and really severe winds up to like 70 miles per hour. So those are going to be your two main threats. Again, it's till 8 p.m. tonight for these counties in the blue outline. Basically, it's going to be east of I-35 and south of I-40. That's going to be the general area. We'll go ahead and pass through some of these this text. Scattered large hail and isolated very large hail events up to 2 inches in diameter. Scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. Scattered thunderstorms are underway across southeast Oklahoma and northeast Texas. A few storms should intensify, produce large hail. Storm scale consolidation into a cluster may occur in the early evening, which would increase the wind threat. So basically, it will become more of a blob of storms, kind of like last night. Severe thunderstorm watch area. Okay, so next we'll leave a quick overview of that. We'll go ahead and break down some of the areas more in depth here. That moderate risk is for the southeast U.S. and does not include Oklahoma. We are under an enhanced risk for the far southeastern counties of Oklahoma, and much of the risk area is under a slight risk. And this is going to be mainly focused on the far southeastern states, so I'm not going to read that. So this is a National Weather Service in Norman's forecast graphics. We'll just take a quick gander at these before we move on. So again, there's not really a tornado threat today, very low tornado threat, up to golf ball and baseball sized hail and 70 miles per hour winds. Refresh that. There we go. Sorry. There we go. Again, a very low tornado threat. Golf ball to baseball size hail and 60 to 70 mile per hour winds. Strongest will be in eastern Oklahoma. There is a freeze warning in effect as well. It's going to get cold tonight. Possibly a little bit of snow tomorrow evening. I'll get to that later. But again, not a high tornado threat. Definitely strong winds and large hail. We'll move to the Tulsa forecast office. Again, you can see that enhanced risk. They have it as 10 spot size hail, 70 mile per hour wind gusts, and isolated tornadoes. Again, not expecting any huge tornadoes today in Oklahoma. So we'll go ahead and take a quick look at the radar now. See what's happening in the state. Okay. Oh. Hold on. Sorry about that. My radar program crashed on me. I think that's updated. Yeah. Okay. So we do have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for the state right now near Allen, Oklahoma. The text of this warning is quarter-size hail. So winds are not quite severe with that yet, but quarter-size hail with the storm east of Allen, approaching Gully and eventually Stewart and Ashland. Storms will move east. This storm down near Wynnewood is starting to look kind of impressive. Wouldn't be surprised for a warning to be issued for that shortly. This storm will move off towards Rod and Fitzhugh. So I'll go ahead and animate this. As you can see, the motion is generally to the east. Storms are just now starting to develop. Immature. There's another storm trying to develop around Tishomingo and down Eldora and Calera. Just have to keep an eye on these. It looks like these storms are already starting to coalesce into a line. So again, that may elevate the wind threat a little bit. Generally, when storms start to line up, they start to produce more winds. So yeah, that's the general state of the atmosphere right now. If you have any questions, pop them in the group chat or the chats. We're on Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, YouTube. So any of those chats, I'll see them. Again, really not expecting major severe weather today, but we are expecting tennis ball to baseball size hail in southeastern Oklahoma, and a few gusty winds up to 60 and 70 miles per hour. Flooding risk is also possible. Definitely some of these areas are moist, so these storms look to be dumping a fair amount of rain, so just something to keep an eye on. If you see flooded roadways, turn around and don't drown. So I'll go ahead and fill up this warning graphic one more, or the watch graphic, and just show everybody the counties we are talking about. Generally, the severe thunderstorm watch is for east of I-35 and south of I-40. If you live in those counties, be on the lookout for hail in excess of 2 inches, so tennis and baseball size, as well as winds up to 60, 70 miles per hour. Not expecting real significant tornado threat today, although one or two cannot be ruled out, although they'll likely be on the weaker side of the spectrum. So stay well with multiple sources, just in case you need to take cellular. If you have any questions, continue to message me and I'll answer them. Thank you